In a shocking revelation that has sparked debate online, popular crossdresser Bobrisky has revealed that he impregnated a woman during his time at the University of Lagos, Unilab. In a recent Instagram live session, Bobrisky shared that the incident involved a woman named Lamide, who he claimed took his virginity. According to him, the encounter happened after Lamide seduced him, leading to an intimate moment between them. A few moments later, she informed him that she was pregnant. He recounted how the night went. So that night, we were waiting for who would touch each other first. I was backing the wall. She was facing me. Because I was shy, I don't know where to start from. I did not know what to do. She started touching me and we eventually did it. That was the first time ever and only time I was with a woman, he said.
So that night, we're not waiting for who would touch each other first. I was backing, she was me, I was backing the wall. She was facing me. Because I was shy. I don't know where to start from. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Then she started touching me. She said, look at my face now. Look at my face. Then she started touching me. She started, boom! We did it. Yes, that was my first ever and my only time.
Bobrisky, who was in the second year at the university at the time, recalled his reaction when Lamide broke the news to him on Valentine's Day. However, he admitted that he asked Lamide to consider a solution as he was not prepared for fatherhood at the time. According to Bobrisky, Lamide refused and later reported him to a group of boys who confronted him over the situation. However, this recent revelation has ignited some conversations and opinions about Bobrisky's past and current attitudes. What's your opinion about the story? Please drop a comment in the comment box section below. And stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.